Ready for your most radiant skin ever? Introducing the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, your secret weapon for a flawless complexion. This incredibly lightweight essence is packed with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, designed to repair and rejuvenate dryness and aging. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to that coveted healthy glow as it deeply hydrates without feeling heavy. The mucin in snail secretion is a powerful moisturizer that instantly soothes and plumps your skin. What's amazing is that no snails are harmed in its eco-friendly production. It's naturally hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, making it perfect for even sensitive skin, though a patch test is always recommended. If you're looking for a truly transformative Korean skincare experience to tackle fine lines and dullness, this is it. Want to experience this magic yourself? Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own COSRX Snail Mucin Serum. You won't regret investing in this incredible product for your best skin yet.